Let's learn animals' name. The first one is a tiger. The next animal is a donkey. The next one is a leopard. The next one is giraffe. The next animal is a lion. This is a sheep. Sheep is the farm animal. The next one is a horse. The next animal is a cat. The next one is The next animal is a sheep. The next one is The next animal is a leopard. The next one is giraffe. This is giraffe. The next one is a rabbit. This is a camel. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. The next animal is a deer. The next one is elephant. The next animal is a T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. The next animal is a tiger. The next one is a duck. This is a duck.